EU truck driver with social security, 3,200 euros net, Italian flag, no English, just Italian basic language to embark. If you are a truck driver tired of these regulations, these tax, because these politicians only know how to print money, occupy buildings, and make your life really complicated, and paying all type of VATs and social securities and income tax and the profit tax, and then more and more regulation every day, and the price of petrol with Iran is just like going sky high, and who knows next, they will invent something to keep the price of petrol high. Yeah, that's what they do. So if you think of doing something for yourself and thinking about simplifying your life, or if you have a partner and you think, oh, well, why not then both take this job as truck drivers and do the basic training? You know, basic training in Morocco is 600 euros. In Spain, it's like 1,403 different doors and I have to make a queue for each. But in Latvia, it is 403 days training. Novi Contas is the best training facility in the planet. Some other countries have a different training scheme for the basic training, but perhaps you are interested, and it's 3,200 euros. You don't need Italian, you don't need English, sorry, you need Italian basic language, because the full crew is Italian flag, social security, guaranteed. So most of the ships are trading Mediterranean. It's 22 ships, huge Roros, roll on, roll off. So there needs to be operations on board while the ship is moving in order to have a faster disembark and embark all the Roros. Most ships trade between Italy and Spain, and so it is a huge company, stability, long-term, Italian food, very good, excellent Italian food, Italian atmosphere. People in the south of Europe, Italians, they smile all the time, they're nice people, not like up north. So if you're thinking of like changing your life, not depending in these politicians that are going to make your wage really shrink. Now, if you want to have a net 3,200 euros, or if you have a partner and you're thinking, why not? Or you have a friend, why not if we both go together? Yeah, we are in such an urgent need that we take all truck drivers with basic training now. It's 22 ships, so 11 at home, 50% rota at home. That means that there is 33 need today, European truck drivers, 3,200 euros net, and just rest. You have a beautiful cabin on board the ship, and that's a different type of life. If you're also thinking about getting, if you are an AB or any other seafarer rank within Europe, and you're thinking, why not take this DE license of a truck driver, D and E? Think about it. If you come from Algeria, Morocco, or any other country, Colombia, Panama, Peru, and you do have the license, and then you are also holding the basic training, apply to Candina urgently. Gracias. Thank you. Bye.